Cat's tails. We're at the ranch in Montana, and those cat's tails are telling me they're thinking they wish they could get out there, chase some birds around. And this is what's left of my tree after the big windstorm. Oh, yeah. I'll be walking out there to see. There's quite a bit of it that's still alive, and it will probably live because I've been here 26 years and it's been knocked down more than once. So, was a huge tree. It was bigger than the whole house, two-story house. But even though it gets knocked down and we chainsaw and clean it up, it comes back to life and sprouts up more willow. So have a great day. It's beautiful.